Now it's time for me to start to tear this one down so I can get it in rideable condition. My most important objective today is to get the rear shock out so I can send it for service and maintenance. So let's get on with it. Yeah, that's a little bit of dirt in here. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of dirt here, so I probably have to wash all the parts. Yeah, more dirt. I can also see that there are a lot of screws and balls that are replaced and they are not the same, so this is something I have to fix later on too. Yeah, this is what I need to repair as well in some way. Electrical tape, maybe I don't need. Oh, this is probably from the Enduro kit and it's not intact. There we go. Oh, this one too. I got some, oh, that was good. That brake pad is really worn out. I have some job with my brakes. Okay, here it is. It has most likely been leaking oil since there's a lot of grease and stuff here. I guess I need a new hose, this bumper thingy, and of course gas, oil, probably some other internal stuff. I hope the bike will not be front heavy. Yeah, it's dirty. And I can see now that the chain slide was broken. Yeah, there is a hole in the pipe. Not a small one either. So let's get the fuel tank off. I don't know how this one is. No, something up here. No. Is there something on that side? I don't know. This one is off, this one is off. Should be just hooked in, I guess. Ah, is that the screw for the tank? Oh, it looks like there are a couple of screws here. Okay, attempt number 2. Let's see if it was those. Yep. Yeah. I don't think this one was clean under the skin for a while. So I got something to do. Yep. So now I've removed some parts from the bike that I need to go and clean because it's extremely dirty. And as expected, when I took it apart, I found some more things that I expected could be broken. Of course, the seals in the front fork needs to be replaced. And there is some O-ring, I don't know, gasket or whatever it is on the pipe that is broken. That's why it's leaking between the cylinder and the pipe. The air filter is broken, need to get a new one. I also need to buy new brake pads for the front brake. They're worn out. And that's essentially it, I guess. As we can see here, it was really, really dirty under the fuel tank and kind of everywhere. So I need to take out the engine a bit later and clean that one as well, and the radiators and stuff, and check the frame for cracks or something. And I should probably take the steering stem apart and change the bearings there. But I will spare you when I go to wash all the stuff, because that's not very fun anyway. Well, here we have it. I guess this is as far as it gets. It's only the foot pegs left. Everything else is stripped off, and I have never done anything like this before, so that was a learning experience, but it's fun. The real fun part will be to see if I can get it back together again. I haven't finished everything yet. I need to take some more stuff apart. I need to check the wheel bearings and so on. I shall look a little bit more at the engine. I need to clean up the radiators. I need to clean up the engine. There's a lot to do before I can start to assemble this bike. But I guess this is as far as this video goes. And if you got this far, thank you very much for watching. And please give the video a like and consider subscribing for the following video in this series about this Honda. Have a great day. Bye.